Oh, so fabulous.
Welcome back to the channel, my darlings. So today's look is going to be that look you guys already saw in the thumbnail and in the intro. Like, I don't even need to say too much. It's animal prints. You guys, I love animal prints. I feel like I have every clothing item in animal prints. Pants, jumpsuits, shirts, underwear, scarves. Like, it's that bad. So I just decided to do an animal print inspired look. So the first thing that I'm doing, I've not applied anything at all. I just went right into prepping my eyes by applying a light shade of concealer on my eye. So now I'm going into my Warrior 2 palette by Juvia's, please. I think this has to be like my favorite palette by Juvia's, hands down, because of the shades that are in it. Like, it has a lot of neutral skin tone shades, transition shades. If you're a makeup artist, you need to get this palette. So I took that dark brown and I created the cut crease that has like an outer wing, and then I'm taking a lighter shade of brown to just blend above it. You guys notice that I didn't do my brows. This was my first time actually doing eyeshadow before brows, and I kind of liked it, although it was it was a bit hectic when I now had to do the brows, because in the process of doing the brows I was cleaning off some of the eyeshadow, which I later had to like go back in to correct. So now I'm cutting my crease using some of that concealer again. So I'm going back to those two shades to get like the base of the leopard print we're going to be doing. So it's like an eggshell shade that I'm using. I'm trying to recreate like the patterns that are on my shirt that I'm putting on in this video. So what I did to create the animal print pattern, I took some of the concealer and picked a spot on the eyes. I placed the concealer first of all, then I took the brown shade of eyeshadow, the first one that I used, and then I'll place on top of the spot where I put the concealer, and then I'm tracing it out to give it like an outline using my black eyeliner. This is really simple, guys. Don't be intimidated by how it looks. It is really simple and easy to achieve. So you can also put like some black dots around, dots of different sizes, just to complete that animal print effect. Let your brown spots be of different sizes and different shapes. It looks more natural that way. Now I'm lining my eyes and I'm giving it a beautiful wing. I'm actually using the Mabrook liquid eyeliner. I love it, and it dries extremely matte. It doesn't have any shine. It doesn't smudge. I love it, guys. Anything Mabrook, any pencil that's from Mabrook, I trust the brand when it comes to pencils. So I've done the second eye. You can see me feeling myself like, you can't tell me nothing. So now I'm popping on these lashes from Zikel Cosmetics. Now that lashes are on, I'm going over to the face. So I'm like moisturizing my face using the Fasali Rose Gold Elixir. So now for foundation, I'm going into the Blossom Cosmetics foundation. This is a Nigerian brand. Just using my beauty blender to just apply that. So now I'm using my Laura Mercier setting powder to just set. I don't know what happened. I probably did not film the part where I did my concealer, my highlights, but you guys already know the drill. So I'm getting ready to do my brows. I'm just applying some setting powder over my brows. Okay, baby girl is feeling herself. Hey. So now I'm doing the brows, just lightly filling the brows with my pencil. Yeah, this is the part I was talking about. In the process of applying concealer, of course, some of the concealer is going to get into the eyeshadow, so I had to blend that in with a blending brush and go back with that eyeshadow again to reapply it there. So now for lipstick, I'm taking this shade. This is from the Juvia's Place X Fumi de Salvold collab. You guys, this shade is mad. This is my second time using it ever since I bought it. Like, I was feeling like some warrior princess with this look. Can you see me feeling myself? Like, you can't tell me nothing. Okay, now it's time for powder. So I'm using the one from Glams and I'm using the one from Beyond Beauty, which is a darker shade. If you guys know me, I like to apply 2 shades of powder on my face. One that is a little bit lighter than me, and then one that's my shade or slightly darker, so that I just use that in like the highlighted point and the contoured part of my face respectfully. So now I'm just like dusting off all the excess powder, applying powder to the rest of my face. I'm applying the darker shade now around the perimeters of my face. This is what I usually do when I don't really want to do the typical contour along my cheekbones. So now I'm just contouring my nose with the darker shade of powder and a small eyeshadow blending brush. So now for blush, I'm going into the Juvia's Place blush. And just, you guys, I love blush, so there's no how you're not going to see my blush. Like, there's this joy I feel when I'm applying blush. I don't know if you guys can tell. So now time for glue. I'm going into the Blossom Cosmetics highlighter, just gluing up the high points of my face. What do you guys think about how I styled my hair? It's Jerry Coils, by the way. I used to be team natural, but I Jerry coiled my hair earlier in January this year, 2021. So if you want to know how I did it, I'm going to link the video up there. Please click it and check it out, you guys. If you were considering doing Jerry coils, honey, you won't regret it. I haven't regretted it for once. I'm not lying. So now I'm taking a white eyeliner. That one is from Peace Beauty Cosmetics and the Nigerian brand, and I lined my eyes. So now I'm smoking out the under of my eyes using the dark brown shade and the light brown shade from that same Warrior 2 palette from Juvia's Place as well, just to complete that air of mystery, that mysterious look. And baby girl is feeling herself, you guys. Whenever I see me do makeup and I'm dancing, just know that I'm feeling myself. So now I'm just using mascara at the bottom lashes. Gotta get it all together. So now I'm doing like some false freckles using my black eyeliner. So when it dries down, I just like tap with my powder brush over it so that it looks a little bit dim, not like too sharp. That way it looks more natural also, I think. So y'all, at this point I am done and baby girl is feeling herself. Don't I look like some form of Nubian queen? Huh? Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Be sure to give me a thumbs up, drop a comment, share, and subscribe if you haven't. I'll see you guys in my next video. Love you guys. Mwah. Standard, yeah, standard, yeah.